Hello, Center 2. It's time for our spelling. I have a question to ask you. My question is, what fabric has never gone out of style or never goes out of style? Can you think of it? A fabric, a type of material that's very, very popular? I'll give you a few seconds to think. I wish I could hear your answers. If you guess jeans or denim, then you got it correct. Denim or jeans, right? Very popular. I think we all own one, and it never goes out of style. It's always in, it's always the in thing. Okay, so could you please get your spelling workout book? We're going to be on page 117, 117. We're going to be reading a little passage about jeans, and we're going to also be looking to see plural possessive nouns. These are used in the passage, and it's like a little refresher because we already did this topic with plural possessive noun. Now we know that singular means one, plural means more than one, possessive noun shows ownership. So plural possessive means the noun is plural and it is showing ownership. So if the noun ends with an S, all we need to do to show possession is just to add an apostrophe after that S. If the plural noun is an irregular noun, for example, the word man is singular, the plural for man is men, and it does not end with an S, so in that case, we would then add the apostrophe S. So we will be seeing some of those words used in this passage. So follow along and read with me. Durable denim. The word denim is the name of the material of jeans. Okay, so let's begin. There is a kind of fabric that never goes out of style. Almost everyone has worn it at least once. Some people wear it every day. It's denim. This sturdy cloth has been meeting families' clothing needs for more than 100 years. Let's pause there. Can you believe that it's been used more than 100 years and it's still popular and we still love it and it's still comfortable? That's a long time. Let's continue. Every family member's clothing can be made from it. In 1873, Levi Strauss and Jacob Davis patented the process of using rivets in making men's work clothes. Let's pause there for a minute. I want to show you who is Levi Strauss. This is Levi Strauss. The picture is in black and white because this was taken a long time ago, and like they said, you know, it has been a really long time since we started to use jeans. And let's go ahead and see Jacob Davis. This is Jacob Davis. So they patented, which means that they got the rights to start using these rivets on men's clothing, but it has been used on many different things. And as we read the passage, we'll find out why they started to use the rivets, right? Very helpful. And I also want to show you that, you know, when you look at many of the jeans, because Levi is a very popular brand, you will see Levi as the brand, Levi Strauss & Co., which means corporation. So he brands his jeans, and he has one of the most popular jeans that is still very popular up until today, Levi jeans, right? So let's go ahead and continue. I'll leave the picture here while we continue to read. Strauss used denim for the fabric because it was durable, which means it's strong, comfortable, and looked good. And then he added rivets to the pockets and other stress points. This kept the pants from ripping when worn by workers such as miners. As you know, people use their jeans for a lot of different reasons. Some people use it to go to work, so it has to be strong. And the rivets help to keep the jeans in place for stress points. So jeans today are often made of denim. Denim is used not only for men's clothing, but women's and children's clothing as well. Let's take a look at this family here. Everyone is dressed in jeans. The mom has on a jeans blouse with jeans pants. The dad has on a jeans shirt, jeans pants, and the little girl has on like a little jeans romper. It looks like a romper, or it could be like a little jeans blouse with a jeans pants. But jeans is very popular, and not only men, but women, children, almost every single person can use jeans. And it doesn't only have to be like a skirt or pants. It can be used as a dress, blouses, shirts, etc. So let's continue. In fact, denim is a cloth that can be used to make almost anything. It can be used for passengers' luggage, hostesses' uniform, umpires' caps, and children's shoes. In fact, I'm taking a pause here. I have even seen people have denim hats and denim purse. So it could be used for a lot indeed. Let's continue. Dresses styles have been based on the popularity of denim. Even government's highest leaders have been seen wearing this common fabric. Despite the passage of over 100 years, denim is also still the center of Levi Strauss's business's success. So, Levi, good thinking with using denim. Still very successful. So what you're going to do is complete page 118, page 118 from the spelling workout. There are only 2 words from this list that are irregular nouns that we had to use the apostrophe S. So you're going to put those at the top. And the others are plural possessive nouns that the apostrophe came after. So go ahead, sort it out, complete it. You can pause the video here. And then when you're finished, you come back and we'll check the answers. Please pause the video to do the work. Do not continue listening right now until you're finished. Okay, if you're playing the video now, that means you're finished. I trust that you're doing the right thing. And let's check the answers. So number 1 will be man's, and number 2 will be children's. Those are the only 2 plural possessive nouns that had apostrophe then S. The others, I'll go down the list. We have passengers, armies, families, thieves. Hold on, sorry, my page turned. Thieves, ranches, benches, umpires, airlines, dresses, hostesses, banjos, pianos, bodies, daisies, televisions, members, governments, businesses. If you got them all correct, great job. Bye. Go to the next slide.